Hi, this is Agnes from Sediment, and today we're going to discuss what you should pay attention to if you truly want to appreciate your wine. Expressive aromatics in the room might ruin your wine experience. These might include the fragrance you use, face and body cream, even the shampoo. Rethink putting flowers on the table. They might look pretty, but if they are as fragrant as these are, they easily might overpower the wine. Sometimes I even smell the glass itself just to make sure that it doesn't have any off aromas before the wine is poured in. It's good. This is not the worst wine glass you can have. However, you want your wine glass to be big enough, narrow at the top so there is place for aromas to gather. You also want to have enough space where you can swirl the wine around. I would also avoid those thick and colored glasses, as you cannot even appreciate the color of the wine inside. In the wine tasting, temperature is crucial. Serve the wine too warm and the first thing you might feel is the alcohol. Serve it too cold and you might not feel anything at all. For me personally, the quality of the wine sometimes can dictate the temperature. Even with the white wines, the higher the quality, the higher will be the temperature I can serve it in. Simple white wines can be served colder as the lower temperatures might hide some of the flaws in the wine. Red wines have tannins, and those at cooler temperatures might feel bitter or even astringent. Therefore, red wines are usually served warmer than white wines. I serve my white wines from 6 to 12 degrees Celsius. With the reds, it's usually around 15 to 18. We have prepared everything, and now let's taste. If you push aromatics through your nose so aggressively, you might not even notice them. The best way would be swirl the wine, slightly sniff it. Therefore, you can appreciate even the most delicate aromatics of the wine. Sometimes people, when they are tasting the wine, are not allowing it to fill their palate. Instead, they're just tasting with the tip of their tongue. To truly appreciate the wine, you have to feel it with all your palate, and that includes tongue, gums, and even teeth. This way you can truly notice the sweetness, if there is any, acidity in the wine, tannins, and its body. I also have one bonus tip for you. Do not smoke before wine tastings. Actually, do not smoke at all.